Awesome, man. So great to have you here. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak. I know you're very busy right now. I just wanted to catch up with you because we haven't talked in a while and see how you were doing. I'm sure you're doing great because you've shared some great progresses inside the BONT Club like a few months ago, or like maybe almost like a year ago, right? Um, so I wanted to, talk with you, see how you're doing, and ask you some questions to see how your journey was with the Punk Club. Okay, so to start with, right? Please introduce yourself, who you are, and what do you do.
So I'm Mikolas. I'm from Czech Republic, from Prague. I'm currently 24, and I am I would say, web designer, and then I am a co-founder of a nonprofit called Nevyhasni, which is like Do Not Burn Out. So I have like these two things going on, and yeah, that's me.
Okay, awesome. Um, how long have you been a freelancer for? Just to have like a little bit more context. When did you
So
start your journey?
I I must say, like, I have been doing web design for the past 6 years.
Yeah,
But like it was really, I would say, like really part-time, like because like I was working on a lot of projects and or like while I was studying high school or and then
yeah,
university. So like I went like full time, I would say, like just 1.5 years ago, 1.5 year ago. But like
yeah.
before that, I like did like one or two, maybe I would say like 4 or 5 projects per year, so not that
Okay,
many. It was just some kind of like side earnings for me, but I wasn't really serious about that. It was just something that
okay,
was kind of just like falling into my lap, and I just
yeah.
didn't say no, and I continuously like I was working on it. So yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And I was gonna ask you, so like what did your life slash career look like prior to enrolling to the Bone Club? So if I don't get this wrong, you enrolled 1.5 years ago, right? When you started taking
Yes,
this
exactly.
seriously in full time. Okay.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
what was it like? Like tell us a little bit about the prior Mikolas to the Bone Club.
I would say like it was just really chaotic and I didn't quite know what I was doing. I was really like like not very confident in
Mm,
like my services. Uh yeah, I didn't have any process that much and I didn't have any stable like flow with the clients. My
mm-hmm,
pricing was totally fucked up. I would say my earnings or like my hourly rate was like maybe 10 euros per hour or
mm,
something like that.
yeah,
Uh, yeah, and it was just because like I was still like I didn't have to be like living or working on my own or like because like I still received my support from my family. I
yeah,
didn't quite had the pressure to take this seriously.
yeah,
And I was
yeah.
really like hesitant, whatever, to like continue with university to go to masters or not.
Right.
But actually like thanks to our conversation before that, it helped me realize that like I want to take this seriously and I want to start when I finish my bachelor's.
Yeah,
So
I
yeah,
remember you
it
were
looked
considering like two paths, right?
yeah, yeah.
Going on like taking another career, right? And studying full time, right? Was that the other path?
It was it was like I was wondering whether like to still have this like on the side and then like go studying design somewhere like abroad to like have a master's degree or just
Yeah,
have a degree in design because I was studying like business administration, so I didn't have any education in design.
yeah.
Or to like just learn from
Go.
like working. Yeah, just like
Yeah,
go all in and just like learn by
yeah,
doing. And
yeah,
yeah, and you taught me that like if I go to like a design school, it will just be like 90% like of stuff I don't really need and 10% of the stuff I really need or what is about web design.
yeah.
So I really thought about that and then I went with BONT Club and I took it as like or like yeah, for me it was the kind of education I was looking for.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how does it look like after enrolling? Like, how did the Bond Club positively impact your business and life?
Hmm. So like to be honest, like yeah, like 2 years ago, I was like still like a student, so I was like really like not very structuralized. I was like single. I was still living with my mom, so like it was some kind of different in this. and like BONT for sure helped me like with taking my life like just like be more mature, I would say. So
Okay.
like right now, my life looks like that. I have like a stable income. I have like a studio, like a web
Mm-hmm.
design studio with one employee, or and then like two part-timers. And I have like some kind of stability and structure in my life right now. So yeah, this is how my life looks like right now.
Amazing. You were also able to move out on your on like
Yes.
have
Yeah.
your own place, and that's amazing. And if you're open to share, right? Oh, this is something, by the way. Yeah, I'm realizing this is something I will probably need to cut out. So let me do like a clap here, so that I know. So
Sure.
you know this because I told you this was gonna be a one cut, but now I'm realizing what tangible results. Maybe you're not open
No,
or
I can share. I'm open.
comfortable.
I'm open to
Um,
share anything.
okay. So what are the tangible results that you have achieved, like numbers of leads, subscribers, sales, whatever you feel like sharing?
So right now, I would say like I have maybe like 5 to 10 leads per month, which I'm discussing actively some kind of like collaboration. Like sure, like only few of them like end up being clients in the end
Yeah,
because like I try to like increase my rates a lot, so I don't work as much, but I work for more.
yeah.
And then I would say like my revenue, if I we can like talk about that as well. Like before joining the Bond Club, it was I don't know, maybe like 1K per month, something like
Mm,
that. And now like it's hard to say like this is all like just like the revenue, so not the like pure income, because for me it's kind of
yeah.
hard to calculate it because
The
like now I
net,
have
yeah, it's
like
not, it's a gross
yeah,
gross revenue.
yeah, it's the gross, yeah. So
Yeah,
now I would say it's like on average it's maybe like I would say 8 to 12K per month,
there you
so something
go.
like that.
There you go.
Uh, yeah, it depends on the month. So
Yeah,
like
for sure.
and but like the result is that like I'm working with fewer clients, but they're paying me more.
Yeah,
And then the numbers, and then yeah, I would say like these are the results. I don't know if I can
yeah,
mention anything else.
yeah. No,
Anything comes to mind.
I mean, uh, that's perfect, and that's amazing. Like in 1.5 years to go from 1K to to let's say average 10, right? Because if it's between 8 and 12, it's average 10. Um, that's incredible, and I also want to say that you came in with a lot of business acumen before joining that I think, even though you were not monetizing it yet, I saw that potential in you. Uh, I didn't know how well you were going to do, but I'm very impressed. But also, I want to say that you have you had a prior like in context, right? You had a business acumen that helped you get there faster. But that's incredible results. Like in 1.5 years, if you ask me, it's incredible. So, what would you tell someone who is considering investing in the Bone Club?
I would tell them to like just like really think about like what you want to achieve, because like this will, I think like Bond Club will give you confidence. I think this is like the biggest thing that Bond Club can give you, confidence in
Yeah,
yourself, because you know that like pro designer is actually talking to you, he's giving you feedback. He gave you like all the resources you need to learn it, to practice it, to become better. And I think like the biggest thing in freelancing is just like selling, trying to sell your services and yourself. And if you don't have the confidence, you will forever uh, be selling your services for 1, 2K per website. But if you know you have this kind of community and like resources like in you and like behind you, you will be more confident like pitching new clients and like trying to close them, because you know you will provide them the value for the money you're asking for. So like but it's just a lot of work. And like if you're not ready, if you're in it for easy money, like you just need to accept that like in the beginning it fucking hurts. Like you really need to have a lot of not comfortable conversations with like potential clients.
Yeah.
It's very awkward sometimes, and you just need to be open to change your strategies over and over again, because like I tried and I changed a lot of strategies as well. Then I find something with like started to work for me, and I just stick with that. But it took me a lot of time, and yeah. So yeah, I would say this: go for it. If you're open to work hard, have a lot of a comfortable conversation, pitch yourself, and then yeah, you will have the confidence that you need to sell your website for 10K plus.
Beautiful, beautiful, man. Well, thank you so much, man, for sharing all of that. I'm super excited for what you've accomplished in such a short period of time. And I can totally, totally second what you just said. This is not a quick money scheme or get rich quick type of scheme. It is a scheme that takes a lot of hard work to make it right. But if you take the time to do it right, it will yield the results tenfold, right? 10x fold, or I don't know how to say it. So thank you so much, man, for being open to sharing all that, and keep at it, man. This is just the beginning for you, because you're 1.5 years into your career and you're already at 6 figures. So I know this is just the beginning for you. All the
And
best,
one thing I
and thank
must
you for your
say,
time. Yep, yep.
can I add
Sorry.
something that
Yeah, for sure,
like
for sure.
even like when I joined BONT Club to 1 years ago, uh actually like I didn't act on it for the first like 8 months, I would say. I just kind of because like a lot of in my life changed. Like I
Yeah.
found a new girlfriend, I moved, I finished high school or university. So I was kind of like finding myself. But just
Mm,
like last November or October, I actually said, okay, I'm going to like change what I have right now. And I really started to follow the bond blueprint, the bond blueprint.
mm-hmm.
And I started to like do the interviews and everything. So
Yeah.
I really started like just like 1 year ago, and like the progress I saw over this 1 year was just crazy. And honestly, like I didn't see the videos. Like I haven't seen any design videos since I would say like this March. I didn't
That's
watch
a
the
great.
videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see anything. So like it's crazy, and I of course like regretted I didn't watch it sooner, because like the value is just crazy. And after I watched it, like I really started to sell the websites for like 2, 3, 4, 5x what I did last year. Like last year
Yeah.
I was selling the same website that I'm doing right now, like the same number of pages, for 2K, and now I can sell it for 10K or even like 15K. And I'm just like exploring my horizons right now. So yeah, it's crazy.
Incredible, man. Incredible. And I do remember exactly that timeline that you shared. I didn't want to go into so much detail, but I think it's amazing for other people to hear that, right? Because not everyone who joins will start immediately, or not everyone who
Yeah.
joins will take it as seriously as they can immediately, right? And that's
Yeah.
that's why I offer lifetime access, right? Because things happen in your life.
Yeah.
You got into a relationship, things change, right? And so I think it's important for people to have the possibility to start whenever they are ready to start, right?
Yes.
But I think it's so important, and that's why the blueprint starts with the business side of things, not the design, because that's where really the core value is, right? We tend to think that we need one more skill, and I fell into the trap. And you're living proof that I wasted a lot of time thinking I needed one more skill, I needed one more Fortune 500 company under my belt to be my own boss, to understand how to sell, to charge what you're charging today. So honestly, I couldn't be more happy than to hear what you have accomplished in virtually. It's really 1 year, right? Um, but I do want to also give people the context that, again, you had experience selling your services before. You just didn't like you weren't uncapping the maximum potential with what you already knew, right? And that's where many of the BONT Club members are, right? That's basically what I help them, is to uncap or monetize what they already know, right? So I think it's amazing. It's amazing that you've been able to get to 10 to 15K in a year, something that took me, virtually like around 10 years, seven to 10 years to get to. So thank you so much, man. Anything else that you want to add?
I think I've shared everything I feel. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Incredible. Well, keep at it, keep crushing it. And I'll be here whenever you need any help. You have the BONT Clubs, the BONT Club members as well. But yeah, it's been a pleasure, man, to chat with you, and keep at it, keep crushing it.
Thank you.
Okay. See ya, man.